Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to create split payment group on Google Pay. First thing first, launch the Google Pay app on your smartphone. Tap the search bar at the top. It may say search people. Select new group. Now search for contacts by their name or phone number and tap on each friend to add them. And when done, just tap continue, then add people. Assign a group name and then tap create. Now you need to type the total bill amount and optionally add a description. Google Pay offers several split methods evenly by amounts, by shares, or by percentage. Once finalized, tap send request and everyone in the group will get a notification with their share and can pay via Google Pay. And done, your group is created and the bill split is smooth. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.